Welcome back to our channel, or the channel. Yep.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yes, we're gonna do a special video. As you can see, I have my mom here with me.
Yeah, and as you can see, I have my daughter here with me.
And we're gonna do, anytime we're together is always a special video. It's always something we are cooking up in our sleeves, like
Right.
something we're planning. And we wanted to do a giveaway. She hit over 25,000 subscribers.
Yay!
Yes. Oh my god. And
Thank you.
she wanted to wait until she did the 30,000, but she was like, no, I just want to get it over and just go ahead and do this giveaway together.
Exactly.
So I was like, okay, here we go.
This giveaway is going to be like turned up. It's going to be so much fun. It's easy also. We're not going to make this thing difficult.
It might be difficult to some people because they always complain about
yeah, but then
Instagram.
again, you know, there's always rules to the giveaway, right?
Yeah.
Every giveaway, there's always rules.
Yeah, so all the rules, first of all, we're not gonna say it in the beginning of this video, and we're gonna say everything in the ending of the video, because we're gonna go ahead and do a normal video as well. Just gonna do a cooking.
Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and make you guys up a recipe, and the recipe that I'm gonna make is what you guys have been asking me for over a year now, and I'm finally going to do it. It's how to make Callaoo rice, Jamaican Callaoo rice. I'm going to make that recipe in this video, so that should be fun.
And I'm going to go ahead and do a story time video, and it's a story called what is it called? Well, you're gonna see from the title, you know what the story time is, okay?
Yeah,
so therefore, just enjoy the video, and then I hope you guys actually like the giveaway, and stay tuned for all the rules. Stay tuned. Stuff like that.
Watch the recipe and watch our story time video, and at the end of all of that, we will tell you the rules that you need.
Yep. To enter
this giveaway. So I guess
we'll see you soon.
We'll see you at the end. Okay guys, we are going to go through the ingredients and what you are going to need in order to make this Callaoo rice. Alright? The first thing I want to show you guys is the Callaoo. I have one bundle of Callaoo right here, but what I normally do when I go and I buy Callaoo, fresh Callaoo, I always buy like 4 and 5 bundles of it. I cut it up, wash it nice, wash it really good, clean it up, cut it up, and then use what I'm going to use right then and there, and then the rest of it that I'm not going to use, I put it away in Ziploc bag and put it in my freezer and make it stay fresh. So I always have fresh Callaoo in my freezer. So this is one bundle of Callaoo. This is 2 cups of parboiled rice. You could use whatever rice that you want to use to make it, but I'm going to use parboiled rice to mine. You're also going to need 2 stalks of scallion. I have fresh thyme here. If you have dried thyme, you could use that as well. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic. 2 teaspoons of butter or margarine. And I'm also going to add to it a half a cup of coconut milk. Okay? Or coconut cream rather. If you have the fresh coconut, go ahead and use that. But this is the one in the can. And this is a half a cup. And that's all I'm going to use into my Callaoo rice. So let's move on to the next step. Alright guys, I have a pot of water on the fire there, and it come to a nice bubble. You want to make sure before you do anything to it, you want to make sure that your water come to a full bubble, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put my scallion in. So I drop that in there. Want to add my thyme. Want to add a teaspoon of garlic. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of butter and a half a cup of coconut milk. I'm gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and add my rice in. So I will see you back in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 to 12 minutes since that been boiling, and now the flavor has come together, so it's time to move on to the next. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rice in. And that is 2 cups of parboiled rice cook. And so now I'm going to put my callaloo in. Now, if you want to add a little bit of cooking oil like EVO or any kind of oil like that, you could put it in there. I already put some butter in it, so I'm not going to add any more oil to it. So that should finish it up. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to turn my fire down to about between low to medium heat. Alright? So what I'm going to do, as usual, when I'm cooking rice, I always cover it up to get my flavor steaming nice. So I'm going to get my foil paper, I'm going to cover it up like that. And I'm just going to put the lid on and seal it nice and tight and trap that flavor in. And make sure that my fire is turned down to medium low heat. Because we don't want it to burn, we want it to steam now. So that should take about 20 minutes. I'm going to come back and check it and see what that 20 minutes look like. So I'll see you back in 20 minutes. Guys, so it's been 20 minutes. And this thing's been steaming nice and slow. And that is what that looks like. And that is pretty good. So remember guys, to turn the fire down nice and low. You don't want to have your fire up high because you don't want to burn it. You want it to steam nice and slow for another 5 minutes. And within 5 minutes it should be done. And yeah, that is callaloo rice. It smells so good with that coconut. Yummy. So see you back in 5. There you go guys, I'm all done. It came out really good. Like I said guys, I put a half a teaspoon of salt in mine. I don't want it to be too salty. You could just put a little bit more if you like. All depends on the flavor that you choose, okay? But yeah, that's it. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe, share. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.
Hey guys, so thank you for watching our video.
Yep. And now we want to go ahead and show you what you guys will be winning, and then we're gonna, after we show you, then we're gonna also tell you the rules that you need. Okay. So the steps that you need to follow in order to, to win the giveaway. So good luck guys. So enough prizes, so that's 4 prizes, so good luck guys. Who wanna go first? You wanna go first?
I'll go first. The first prize, okay, this is how to style, I guess. This is how to supplies, like house stuff. Since it's her channel, we're gonna do it together. So the first thing I'm giving away is this 24-piece glass storage set. Okay, and it looks like this. And you have 24 pieces of glass storage.
Yeah, 100% glass.
And I love this because you could actually take some to work. You could put food in it, have your lunch in it. I like to eat out of glass more than plastic because glass has less germs, and plastic do have a lot of germs. So like, that is crazy. So this is nice, one guys. Of what you guys will get.
Yep, and that is once again, that is for the first prize winner from How to Style, okay?
Yes, first prize winner. The second prize winner is going to get this slow cooker.
That is awesome. Trust me.
Yes. Oh my God.
This is good, guys. When you cook all corned beef and all them things, my mean beef recipe.
Anything.
With your potatoes and your carrots and stuff in this, you put it in there, and the next morning you wake up, you have dinner.
Yep.
Quickly.
Fast cooking, fast way to make a meal. So that's what I have.
And this is for your
second place winner.
Second place winner. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be giving my first prize winner. My first prize winner will be receiving this blender here. This blender is really good. I have one like it, and trust me, it never fails. You could make smoothies and all the other stuff in this, and this is what you will be receiving. My first prize winner, okay? My second prize winner will be receiving this coffee maker. It's easy to use, it's fun, and it's fast. Alright, there's no complicated steps to this. It's a 1, 2, 3 thing, and this is what my second prize winner will be receiving. Alright, so now I think it's time for me to go through the rules.
Alright, so if we miss anything, everything will be down in the information bar, but the first thing you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to both of our channels.
Exactly.
You can't,
that's number one.
Yeah, this has to be for subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, you can't win. And the second thing is actually our Facebook page. We're going to leave the link down below. You have to like our Facebook page, because once you like our Facebook page, we're going to give you a direct request from us, so we could be friends on Facebook. This way we know that you entered,
right?
Okay, so when we choose the person and we search your name come up, and we know that you entered.
Because the reason we want to do that is because we don't want any issue with this giveaway where people they add you or whatever, and then them gone again, and next thing you know, you give them the price and them not even subscribe to your channel. So that's why we want to have some kind of control and be fair to everybody. We want to be fair to the subscribers that we've had a long time, and we want to also be fair to our new subscribers. So as well as, guys, you have to like the Instagram page.
Yeah, Instagram is the other step.
Yeah,
we're gonna put a link down to everything that we're saying here. And Instagram, you have to like our pages.
You have to like the Instagram.
And that is about it. And of course, like this video and comment below on the video which prize you want to win.
We'll know who you are. Alright, let's put on the serious face.
Make sure when you comment on our video below, just make sure you comment, okay, your name, who you are on Facebook, who you are on Instagram, okay? So when we choose you and we search your name and your name come up, and you're the right person on everything, okay? On the videos, everything. So make sure to like both of our videos. Make sure to add us on Facebook. We'll send you a personal friend request to make sure that you are added or you are following us, and make sure you like or follow our Instagram, okay?
Right.
And like this video.
Exactly.
Alright.
That's pretty easy.
It is easy, man.
So guys, go ahead and start.
Oh, and this giveaway, I'm sorry, will be this giveaway will be open for 6 weeks.
Yes.
I know that seems long, but trust me, for us, it's not.
It's not, because we want to make sure you're giving it to the people that follow all the steps. You can't come on the Instagram page and then follow, and then 2 days later you unfollow, you know. You can't do that. You're going to be disqualified, because, honey, I have to tell you guys, we do have the application to know who
we do know who follow us and who unfollow us.
We do know. We do know.
Who doesn't have that Instagram follow, unfollow?
Exactly.
App. Like, no, everybody
you cannot
knows.
do that. You cannot. That's why it is really crucial when you guys come to the fan page and you send us a personal message there, then we will add you to the Facebook page. Now, if you don't have your Facebook page open where you could add accept friends and stuff, then we can't send you a friend request. You can't just have it this way. You have messages alone. You have to have your page open where it says add friends.
All right. So I hope this giveaway. I hope you guys are excited like we are. This is like not our biggest giveaway on our channel.
Well, we had a big one.
Yeah,
but this one I think
is big items. They're big items. Yeah. So I hope you guys are so excited for this. I hope you guys are excited to try to enter to win. 1 comment per person, please.
Yeah, just tell us why you think you should win this thing.
Person. I don't want a whole bunch of comments like, you know, extra entries. We're just gonna put you all in a little bucket, spin, and choose the winners. Yes, okay? So it's gonna be 4 people.
4 winners.
Alright, guys.
We just want to say good luck to everybody.
And thank you so much for subscribing and supporting. And
supporting and showing love all the time.
Yep.
And we love you.
We love you. All right. See you later. Good luck.